こんにちは。Welcome to Free Kitchen. Today, Mumu is going to make Japanese tomato curry with aubergines. This dish is a delicious twist on the classic Japanese curry. By adding tinned chopped tomatoes, we bring a slightly tangy and a little bit of sweet element to the rich and savory Japanese curry base. The combination beautifully balances the flavors, while the aubergines become irresistibly tender in the vibrant tomato curry sauce. If you want to experiment with Japanese curry, this recipe is an easy and exciting way to try something new. Okay, let's get started. Peel and cut 1 medium onion into small pieces. And cut 1 aubergine, about 300 grams, into bite-sized pieces. Chop some parsley. This is for garnish. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the aubergines and fry until the pieces are softened and colored on both sides. Then transfer them to a plate and set aside. In the same frying pan, add half a tablespoon of vegetable oil and the chopped onions. Stir-fry the onions until softened. Then add 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. It's a standard 400 grams tin. And add 150 milliliters of water. Bring the sauce to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Once it's simmered, turn off the heat and add 70 grams of ready-made Japanese curry sauce blocks. Break the blocks into small pieces to help dissolve. Then stir until they are completely dissolved in the sauce. These sauce blocks are easy to find in UK supermarkets, and there are vegan-friendly options available. Return the fried aubergines to the frying pan and mix. And let it simmer for gently on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. If the sauce becomes too thick, add a bit of water. Serve the curry with freshly steamed plain rice. Garnish with the chopped parsley. Deきた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said. The tangy sweetness from the tomatoes adds such a refreshing twist to the classic Japanese curry. The aubergine melts in her mouth, balancing perfectly with the rich savory curry flavors. Paired with the fluffy steamed rice, it's hearty, comforting, and so satisfying. Thank you for watching Free Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね!